Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set default record type in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to make sure that you have already many record types. So you can just simply go to your objects manager and find your record types for your objects if you have created any. And basically you can go and search for record type and you will find that you have already these record types, or you can simply search for your record types and you can have this group of record types and you click on them and you can find these informations about them. So basically after that you will need just to set up the default record type. So either you can go to the objects manager and go directly to this record type that you want to make as default. So let's go to this one. I'm going to click, and from here we can uh, edit, and we can let's just cancel. We can see here in the edits we can find if it should be a default or not. After that you will need just to cancel, and you can also go to your settings, your personal settings, and from there you will need just to go to display and layout. So here, if you have already many custom record types, you will have another option that will say set the default record type. After clicking on the set default type uh, icon or choice, you will have the list of all your record types, and then you can choose from them, and then you will select your default record type that you desire. So basically by that you will be able to set the default record type. So thank you for watching and see you next time.